My name is Burns Bailey, and I'm with the Machine Tool program. Some of the most valuable skills I learned in the Machine Tool program would have to be time management and problem solving, a lot of thinking on your feet. The first 3 semesters of Machine Tool and the 4th one in particular build you with small projects, and all of those will culminate into you being able to do these small projects to make a big project. And it really tests your patience and your ability to do something right the first time. And if you make a mistake, well, that's going to carry on into another mistake with this die. My instructors for the first and second year were excellent at building up not only problem solving and reasoning with this, but also confidence. The understanding that, okay, you made a mistake. Well, some are quite recoverable from. Just because you thrown this off in your project doesn't mean you're gonna have to scrap the whole thing and start over. You can recover from this, which really built confidence in out in the workforce. It really is reinforced my ability to say, oh well, I made this mistake. Oh, that's not going to matter in this. I can do X, Y, or Z and overcome it. After graduation, my plans are to stay with the company that I'm currently with for a little while to kind of solidify my my skills in machine tool or machining, and possibly pick up other trade skills. That way I can potentially become a millwright or work in a machine shop. It was well worth the time investment. Don't wait until you're in your mid to late 20s to sit there and decide it's time to go back to school. You're going to be that age regardless. Go ahead and do it and have a degree. My name is Burns Bailey, and I'm a Florence-Darlington Tech success story.